Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Delano to near Lenhartsville to near Wernersville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Palmerton, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Slatington, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Wernersville, and Walnutport. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 304. Northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 83. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 65. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following cities in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, Chester, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton. In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palmerton to Emmaus to Elverson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Norristown, Pottstown, Lakeville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Wilson, Souderton, Edmunster, Hellertown, and Nazareth. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 328. Northeast extension between mile markers 24 and 79. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 328. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 6 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Point Pleasant Beach to near La Valette, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagard Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Manasquan Inlet, Axel Carlson Reef, and La Valette. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Riegelsdale to Friggs, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Somerville, Bensalem, Ewing, Lansdale, Manville, Burlington, Bristol, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Riverside, Hatboro, Souderton, Bedminster, Flemington, Chalfont, Tinicum, and Hatfield. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 340 and 358. Northeast extension between mile markers 29 and 30. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 32 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 70 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sandy Hook to 10 nautical miles west of Point Pleasant Beach to 26 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 25 knots. A gust front is preceding the line of thunderstorms and will have gusty winds before the thunderstorms move through. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seaguard Reef, Leonardo, Atlantic Highlands, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Fairhaven, La Valette, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, and Fort River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Upper New York Harbor to Atlantic Highlands, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Sandy Hook Bay around 7:25 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 8 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 8:05 p.m. Entrance to New York Harbor, Island Park, and Barnum Island around 8:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.